ProdataKey's Red Wireless Lockset allows you to easily install PDK hardware in spaces that are typically hard to reach and save money on costly wire runs. Whether you are installing a Red Cylindrical Lock or a Red Deadbolt, you do need to prepare your door properly before installation. So let's take a look at what your door prep should look like. Your door should be prepped for a 2 3/8 to 2 3/4 inch back set with a 2 1/8 inch through hole for the lock body. The latch bolt prep should be 1 1/8 inch wide by 2 1/4 inch tall with a 7/8 inch through hole. Alternatively, you can have a 1 inch through hole. The latch bolt prep should be 5 32 inch deep on the edge of the door, and you should have 2 pilot holes, 1 5/8 inch apart. These should be roughly 1/8 of an inch in diameter and 3/4 of an inch deep. When installing a Red Cylindrical Lock, additional prep is needed on the inside of the door. You will need to create 2 notches that are approximately 2 7/16 inches apart, 1/8 of an inch wide, and 5 32 of an inch deep. Now that you've prepped your door, you're ready to install your Red Cylindrical Lock or Red Deadbolt.